Hey guys, Jason of Fender Garage, and we have something right here that I cannot believe has shown up. It's taking over a year for Ford Performance to actually get this put together with all the supply chain issues. But this is a Godzilla control pack for the new 7.3 gas engine and the 10R140 transmission. So that's an automatic transmission. It's going to be either four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive, it won't matter, this will work for it. But I have yet to open one up and see what's inside it, so we're gonna open it up for the very first time and look inside. So we actually ordered 20 of these and we have sold quite a bit already. So pretty typical, pretty common to expect with the Ford. You've got all the parts that are gonna need to power up the engine and the transmission. All right, so here is your wiring harness kit that goes into the ECM. This right here, this is the actual ECU that comes with it. And you've got a pedal assembly right here. And then you got the cold air intake box, which is pretty common. And for the most part, for us, we're just trying to get this guy out of here. That's the main thing we want. We want to get that guy out of there, so they supply that. In here is going to be, so take a look at that. These are kind of all the little goodies. You got another little wiring harness. This will go down to the transmission. 2018 5.0 transmission harness right there. So all kinds of good stuff. It comes with a throttle body right here. You're gonna have to put that throttle body on, change it out from what the motor comes with. You've got an adapter for it, and you've got the O2 sensors that you're going to need to make it all work. Piece of plastic, who knows what that's for. But another O2 sensor. All right, cool, pigtails. Very cool. So this essentially is what we've been waiting for a long time. This is going to be for your Pcv valve right there. We've actually got a Godzilla motor. We've had a couple of them here, but we really were waiting for the control pack. One of the things that we opted to not do is we could have gone with a control pack-ish kind of something where somebody has a harness that can control just the engine. And then we gotta either do a manual transmission or we gotta buy like a 6R80, bolt that up to it and get a standalone controller for the 6R80 for automatic. Now, of course, manual would be fine, but the reality is we're trying to come up with a kit that works for pretty much pull it right out of the truck. You can buy a brand new motor from Ford. We sell the 7.3 Godzilla motor, but they don't sell it as a kit, like a module altogether. So we actually have that kit put together. We can sell you the motor, the transmission, the control pack, and then we can get you all the front runners stuff that you need to go with it. So let me kind of show you what it looks like and get a quick little peek. So this is a Godzilla motor right here. We're going to be putting it in a truck of ours. We're going to be running the dual alternator. We also have it set up for the single alternator. And then it's got power steering pump. And then we've got the Sandin 7. This is the AC compressor. We actually designed this bracket system to work with the serpentine system. And you can kind of see, and so we'll be selling this here pretty soon. We just want to run it and test it and throttle it, make sure nothing skips. But look, here's the transmission. This is the 10R140. It's bigger. It's 8 inches longer than this right here. It's also 2 inches taller and weighs about 100 pounds heavier than the 10R80. And so it's gonna, if you're doing a four-wheel drive truck, you're probably okay. You can probably get this installed and not have much issue with your floor. But any lowered vehicles, you're gonna actually have to do a little bit of tunneling to get some clearance right up in here. But it's pretty cool. You've got about 430 horsepower, I believe, but it has over 400 foot-pounds of torque when you're at 1500 RPM. So it's pretty robust. You can throw a cam in it. There's been videos of guys putting a cam in it. They're getting just right out of the gate 600 horsepower, and then you could throw a Whipple supercharger on it, and you're gonna get up into 800-900 horsepower. So very cool, very big motor. It's big, it's tall. They've also got some aftermarket pans that are out there people have come out with, and a lot of cool things that are being reproduced and made for these. These are going to be a fun swap. We've got this package that we're fitting into original four-wheel drive trucks and chassis and coming out with Godzilla swap part kits. And then eventually we're going to have one running, hopefully in about a month, we're going to have one running in our own truck. So stay tuned, but very cool. You can get your Godzilla control packs, are available. We have them on our website ready to purchase. If you need it, go get it. We have them.